Hey guys. In this video, I'll show you how to create a moonlight effect in Photoshop. First of all, make sure you have a black background. Then, select the brush tool and apply these settings. Size 14, 57px, and hardness 0. Now, drag your mouse to the back background, and the moonlight cricket will appear. Next, go to the adjustment layer and choose solid color. Pick a white color and set the blending mode to overlay. After that, create a new layer and we'll add the subject. Go to select subject, then press Ctrl+C to copy it. Press Ctrl+V to paste the subject. Once that's done, go to the blending mode options and try different ones until you find what looks best. For this example, I'm selecting hard light, which gives a nice moonlit glow effect. And that's it! You've created a realistic moonlight effect behind your subject in Photoshop.